Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to reset your password for PNC Bank. If you've forgotten your password during the login process while logging into your PNC Bank and you don't know what to do next, you can solve this problem by following a simple step. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.pnc.com and search. Soon after you land into the homepage of PNC Bank, which looks like this, click on the Sign On button at the upper right-hand corner to end up in the login area. Select your service type from the drop-down and then enter your user ID in the text box that appears. While typing your user ID, make sure to type it in correct. After you're done, head over to the password text box. If you happen to remember the password during the process, type it into the text box, but if you don't, you can click on this Forgot ID or Password link beneath the box. On the next page, go through the information first. In order to reset your password, it says that you'll need your PNC user ID, your social security number or your tax ID number, one of your full PNC account numbers, and one of these followings that are mentioned right below. After you have all of the information and you're ready to move forward, click on the Start Reset Password button. On the next page, type in your online banking ID number into the text box. Make sure to type in the correct user ID and then go ahead and type in your social security number or your tax ID number. And on the next field, you'll need to type in the last 4 digits of your social security number or your tax ID number. Once you do that, double check by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner. After you're done, type in your full PNC account number in the last text box. Make sure to type in the information correct once again. Remember that your information should match to the information that you provided while opening up your bank account for PNC. After filling in all of the information, click on the next button. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and on the next page, you'll be allowed to reset to a new password. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.